Legisha delegates Tzkl Ramnaubing. Final match, football. TKS 31st General Conference Sili. Griaugida Laidlay. Ishiwi Groundly Ramaman Kvaisausai. Other honorable guest of honor, Nathan Laga, player inspection, Kasami Aurunu. And now, the guest of honor, along with the other dignitaries, will perform the player inspection. Blue jersey sangda khlai hina Kachai katam now long we players nay Yarina lum lau la kai na katom sai color red aina black jersey sangda khlai hina Singtun Tangkhul katam now long we players nay And now we will have the kick-off by the Honorable Guest of Honor. Once more. Thank you very much.
Hello, hello. Itumwi 31st TKS General Conference come sports, literary and cultural meet with Kanawa match men's football final Ari Zingtun Tangkhul katam naulong na host team Kachai katam naulong ng Rio Migi full ready sa leader clay ne Zingsho songli leader clay Zingsho songli leader clay blue jersey sang the clay hina host team Kachai katam naulong kala Zingtun wakli leader clay red pa hina Zingtun Tangkhul katam naulong ne anik ni hina azui conference hili Rio Rashum laga Matalakin ng rare ka laga ari the final ka sang ne jiwang la itum yari cycle ring paye ari ng rare tagle hili itum
Hello, 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 hello.
itum yari cycle mutun za da mahai melo ji hi hida da hang ji phun shi ngaye ari Ari itungwi final match hiwi center referee hi Machuk assistant referee Wan Lee Tinganing second assistant referee Lee Lovejoy fourth official Lee Somingham the late Lee he being hina azui as the final match hiwi referee Sami Bing the Klene. First free kick he Kachai Gatum now long. Back number 5 Mr. Somshang the free kick quick vice hard lay. Matalak high free kick. Mishang laga. Zington with number 8. Zington with number 8. And pass me laga. Fast goal attempt. Goal attempt. As we first goal attempt is Zington hopok laga. Matalak high goal attempt. Saye. Defender ng aksyogai da.
And so they were two. Singtun, Tangkhul, Long and host Kachai lock horns in the final of the 31st TKS General Conference come sports, literary and cultural meet for the breaking rights of the land. It is the Raging Reds of Singtun against the underdogs and the host Kachai, who have been bolstered by the addition of Somishon Chirac, who missed the quarter and the semi-final ties as he was away on state duties with the Manipur state team in the Santosh Trophy at Kerala. Chansa, of course, made a quick return trip from halfway around the world from Abu Dhabi to Kachai to play for his village team and has so often been a difference maker for Kachai, shouldering the expectations and responsibilities of the host team. Today, he will hope Somishon can shoulder some of that responsibility. So the deluge of the morning has passed and the weather has cleared up pleasantly for what promises to be an exciting, enticing afternoon of football. So welcome and good afternoon, one and all. We have the host team, Kachai in blue and Singtun in red, attacking the eastern end of this ground. Punning me, all defended by Payson, only out till Miami, all wide for Simeon here, slipped as he was trying to control the ball and stolen away by now the skipper for Singtun, playing Yami through. Yami has Risomi. Yami takes on 3-4 defenders, try to look for the pass out on the right flank for Ongshungam. It's intercepted by the Kachai defense. Out with Chanso Horan for Kachai now. Chanso as well to goes by Ungshung. Winning, running on the back of Thotmaya, who concedes a throw in towards the corner flag there. Punning me, the left back for Kachai, to take this throw in. He plays it back to the skipper Miami, intercepted by Risomi. Another throw in for Kachai, which will be taken by Miami this time. In for Somishon, away by King Pum. Miami flicked on by Somishon, and the shot was on by shot was on by Songaleng, I think, jersey number 19. Yes, Songaleng for Kachai. Took it on the half volley, but did not get the contact that he was looking for in the end. Left too much on that ball, and it skied over the crossbar. Now with Rung Sing back to Yermi. Rung Sing again for Zingtun. Plays it on the right flank for Ung Shungam, but well defended by Musopam. Out by Somishang, flicked on by Chanso, intercepted by Thotmaya. Ball won back by Yami. Not sure if he was trying to take the shot on or if he was looking for the pass. But in the end, it's gone out for a goal kick for the host team Kachai. Pace in. Ongshung. That's a delightful chipped ball out on this left flank for Rung Sing. Puts the ball inside the box. It's defended well by Somishang. And the return ball from Yami to Rung Sing. Just a little too heavy for the skipper. It's gone out for a throw in. And now Kachai on the counter. Somishan up against Yang Miching and King Pum emerging with the ball. Walking on straight back to Miami, and Miami now looking for the run off Chanso on that left flank. Chanso has support in the form of Musopom. Chanso goes past the defender. It's a cross in, and that's the first goal for the host team, and it's Somishon who applies the finishing touch to that cross from Chanso, the electric winger, going past 2-3 defenders before putting in that wonderful cross, which was slotted home by Somishon Chirac, the striker for the Manipur Santos Trophy team, who recently returned to his village. There's a story that Somishon, in trying to get back to this match, booked his flight ticket using the money from contributions from his villagers, and he has delivered straight away, just 5-6 minutes into the game, and the host team take the lead. A wonderful goal by Somishon, but now Yami for Zingtun. Yami with a cross in. It's too deep for Mushungam, who will not be able to keep it in, but it's gone out for a corner here for Zingtun. But what a start to the game. Electric pace, and Chanso, who has been so often the difference maker for the host team, supplying that wonderful cross for Somishon, and Somishon from that kind of range did not need a second invitation to score. Out by Kachai, back again, Ongshung, ball straight at the Kachai goalkeeper this time, Ramthingam. Zingtun looking a little shaken here from the intensity in which the host team are playing. Cleared by Simeon. Chanso on that left flank, cannot go past Thotmaya this time. It's gone out for a throw in for Kachai. Ungshung. Ungshung looking for Yami, and that's a fabulous ball for Yami, just skimming off the surface making it really difficult for the players here. The ball skimming off the surface, and the speed of the ball just notching up a little bit because of the wetness of the football pitch. The final is being played at the moment. King Pum to Ungshung. Ungshung. Miami. Simeon. Ball won back by Yermi. Yermi for Yami. Yami up against Unganing and Miami. Miami wins possession back. Rungsing now on the edge of the box. Rungsing takes the shot on. It's blocked by Songaleng and out by Somishan. Now Somishan up against King Pum. Oh, the speed of Somishan there up against King Pum. Somishan. Young Miching doing very well to get back between the ball and the player to take that away from the runoff. Somishan, who had made that absolutely amazing run down the right flank, the scorer of the first goal, the only goal in the game so far, and what a run that was from the striker of the host team. Excellent take by Yami. Yami on this left flank has been very lively so far in the opening exchanges. Yami now it's Birmingham. Oh, Yami looking for the return for Yami. Clearance by Unguning and a throw in for the host team here. Yami up against Miami to Ungshung. Ungshung plays it to Rungsing. Rungsing now. Rungsing out for Yami. Yami up against Miami. Yami to Ungshung. Ungshung on the edge of the box. Ungshung looking for Risomi. Risomi did not get the touch. Just a bit of a touch on that ball, and that would easily have ended up at the back of the net, but Risomi not able to apply the final touch to that wonderful pass by Ungshung. Ungshung is having a wonderful game so far, despite the fact that his team are behind. He has been the most impressive midfielder in the game so far. Has pulled off some incredible passes, finding the run of Yami, and that time nearly found Risomi with a throw ball. Foul throw by Praningmi, and it will be a throw in for Singtun here. Taken quickly, played to Risomi, back to Ungshung. Ungshung does well there to escape the attention of Mosopom. Ungshung plays it inside for Rungsing, and body jack on Rungsing by Unguning, and it's a free kick here for Singtun. 30 yards out. Good position for someone who can get it over the wall and down. Get the power and the bend behind this set piece. It is Ung Shung and Rung Sing standing over this. And Rung Sing has left it for Ung Shung. Ung Shung from 30 yards. Ung Shung. Excellent save by Rumsingham, who shot the bounce of the ball very well. It's really tricky for a goalkeeper when the ball bounces just in front of you and the slippery surface does not help, but that is good goalkeeping by the host goalkeeper. But he has given the ball straight back to Ung Shung. Ung Shung played it to Rung Sing, who played it back to Paysin. Ung Shung for Yermi now. Yermi out on this left flank for King Pum. King Pum will play it to Yermi. Yermi in for Todmia. Todmia with a bit of a miscontrol there, does well to recover from that. Was looking for Ung Shungam. Intercepted by the Ung Shung now wins the throw-in. Plays it early to Yermi. Yermi charged down by Unganing. King Bum will get back. King Bum for Yami. Yami takes it inside. Yami plays it to Ung Shung. Ung Shung plays it back to Yami. Yami out on this left flank for King Bum. Rung Sing. Rung Sing was looking for Risomi and Ung Shungam inside the box. Defended by Somi Shang, and it's gone out for a corner for Xingtun, which will be taken by the skipper Rung Sing. Plenty of height inside the box for Xingtun. Rung Sing, it's a good corner and it's a good claim by Rung Simbam. Out for Somishon now. Somishon under pressure from Rung Sing, and he will win a throw in here for the host team. Simeon flicked on by Unguning, collected by Yermi. Yermi for Yami. Yami for Rung Sing. Yami for Rung Shung. Totmia. Paysin. Ung Shungam clips it over for Rung Sing. Rung Sing on the chase. He will not be able to keep the ball in play, and it's gone out for a goal kick for Kachai. The Xingtun players struggling a lot with the slippery surface of the pitch in which the game is being played in at the moment. Every ball they're trying to play, skimming off the surface and picking up pace, taking it away from the intended player, intended teammate. And Kachai, after that early start and having gone at very early in the game, have been relatively quiet in the last 5 minutes or so. Yang Miching to Yami. Yami for King Pum, who has made the overlapping run. King Pum plays it through for Yami. Jeremy. Too much pen on that pass for Resomi straight at the Kachai goalkeeper Rumtingham. And Rumtingham will take his time on the clearance. Flicked on by Samishon. Cleared by King Pum. away for a throw-in by Yermi. Simeon plays it inward for Miami. Miami still for Musopam to putting me over for Musopam, out by Yang Wiching. Piece in away for Singtun, and now Ong Shungam on the chase against Samsha. Ong Shungam has the pace. Ong Shungam straight at the goalkeeper from the striker. What a disappointing shot that is. Ong Shungam had the pace and was going past Somishang, but instead of trying to take the ball in his stride, went straight for goal. And Ramthingham again well positioned to deal with the shot. In the end, an easy save for the Kachai goalkeeper, who should have been tested, much more tested, with that attempt from Ong Shungam. A flick on is by Rung Singh, out by Somishang. Flick on again by Miami. Yermi, industrious midfielder, wins the ball back for Singtun. Yami now. Yami inward for Rung Singh. Rung Singh under pressure from Unguning. Songleng finds Janso. Janso. Yami. Yami. Ongshung. Ongshung out for Paisin. Paisin back to Ongshung. Ongshung weighing his options here. Ongshung still decides to play the simple pass to Paisin. Paisin finds Ongshungam. Ongshungam lays it back to Ongshung. Back for Ongshungam again. And out by Samisha. Now Chanso on the left flank, on a foot race against Totmia, and Totmia getting there ahead of the BC winger to concede a throw in there on the far side. Away by Yang Miching. Two there for Singtun. Both of them losing the ball, and the shot was taken by... Oh, Muratbay has lost it, and it's another goal by Somishon. What an absolute howler that is from the young goalkeeper, but not helped by the watery slog that was there inside the box. And Somishon capitalizing on the mistake by the goalkeeper, slotted the ball into the empty net, and it's 2-0 for Kachai. And Singtun do not know what have hit them at the moment. Somishon with another outstanding strike for the host team. And now Yami, tackled by Pringmi. In need of medical attention here, Yami. No fouls given there, but the match has been stopped for Yami to receive a bit of treatment here. The Kachai fans will be feeling that the investment they made for Somishon to fly back home from Kerala is an investment that has paid off hugely. He has scored 2 goals in the opening 25 minutes of the game, and they have been extremely lethal and extremely clinical on the counter. But Singtun, for all their possession, haven't been able to get any clear chance at goal in the opening 30 minutes of the game so far. But they will hope that can change with this corner here, which will be taken by Ongshung. Ongshung has been one of the best players for Singtun in this game. Ongshung. Low, cleared at the first post by Chanso. But Singtun will look to come back again through Totmia. Totmia goes straight for goal and nearly tipped in. That one from Totmia. Great shot from Totmia. Caught the elevation, but it was never tipping on time. Pace in to Risomi. Risomi for Ongshung. Ongshung to Yermi. Yermi out for King Pum. Singtun have had much more possession in this game, but haven't been able to penetrate the low block of Kachai, and Kachai on the counter have been extremely effective and incisive in this first half. Out by Totmia, and a throw in for Kachai.
Number 3 staying the total number 4 center back the shot yes putting number 5 the ball 14 race Stormy the ball
Singtun now on the counter. Risomi, disappointing pass in the end from the experienced midfielder. Nothing clicking for this Singtun team at the moment. They've been able to take the ball out from their own half, but in the final third haven't been able to get in any telling passes to their forwards and their wingers. Ongshung goes past Musopam. Ongshung, and it's gone out for a throw in for Kachai. Samishang with the free kick for Kachai. Intercepted by Risomi, who plays it inwards for Rungsing. Rungsing will win a throw-in off Ongning. Pace in. Out by Ongshungam. Ongshungam took the shot on. Just a whisker away from finding the far post there. It's gone out for a goal kick for Kachai. Goal kick to be taken by Samishang. Chanso. Strong play from the winger, but loses the ball to Yami. Yami. So much on his ball for Yermi, and it's gone out for a goal kick for. It's gone out for a throw-in, sorry, for Kachai. Miami. Pinning me. Masopam up against Resomi. He will concede the throw in. It's taken by Paisin. Ongshung inwards for Jeremy. Jeremy lost it high for Risomi. Risomi now on the edge of the box. Risomi, his cross cannot get past Somishang. And now Chanto will break on the counter for Kachai. It's good defending by King Bum, and Yami was offside. He's not able to keep the ball in play anyway. And the free kick will be taken by Simeon. Simeon has left it for Somishang. Somishang. Away by King Bum. Intercepted by Masopam. King Bum again. Gives possession straight back to Masopam. Now with Unguning. Unguning on that left flank. Unguning. It's a crunching tackle that from Totmia on Unguning. Now Paisin. Paisin doing well to emerge with possession. Risomi. Good play from Yermi. Yermi again takes it away from Chanso. Yami to Yermi. Yermi back to Yami. Totmaya out on the left side for King Bum. King Bum for Yermi. Good take from Yami Tat. Yami against Miami. Yami for Rung Sing. Rung Sing back to Yami. Yami tried to clip it for Ung Shungam. And the Kachai defense standing strong yet again. They haven't been breached in this first half at all. The low block of Kachai doing very well against the lethal front force of Singtun. Pull on Chanso by Yermi, and it's a free kick here for Kachai. Somishon takes the shot on from about 30 yards. He's on a hat-trick, Somishon, and we've seen better than that from the striker, who thumps the ball over the crossbar this time. Goal kick for Singtun. Yang Miching. Yang Miching finds Yermi. Yermi finds Ung Shung. Ung Shung plays it to Risomi on the right flank. Risomi throw in for Singtun. Risomi to Paisin. Paisin up against Unguning. Paisin plays it back to Ung Shung. Ung Shung. Ung Shung does well to escape the attention of Somishang. Ung Shung plays the ball in, and Yami is inside the box. Yami! Ooh, excellent goalkeeping there from Ramthingam, but that is the only time the Kachai defense has been breached. An excellent ball by Ung Shung, and Ramthingam doing exceptionally well to take the ball away from the toes of Yami, whose eyes lit up as the ball nearly fell to him inside the penalty box there. And Ramthingam comes to the rescue for his defenders, who let their guard down for the first time in this match. And that will give some hope to Singtun, who have been frustrated by the stubbornness in which Kachai have defended so far in this game. Ung Shung for Yermi. Yermi finds Yami. Yami will not be able to keep the ball in play. Yet again, the bounce of the ball making it difficult for the players to keep the ball in play. 10 minutes to go in this first half, and it is the host team Kachai who have the lead. Samishon with the brace in the opening 20 minutes to give Kachai a comfortable 2-0 lead here against Singtun, but Singtun have also threatened so much. In spite of the condition of the ground, what a match this is turning out to be. What a performance it has been from both set of players in the game. Rung Singh wins the ball off Masopam. Rung Singh plays it to Ungshungam. Paningmi. Ungshungam again. Ungshungam. Yermi switches the ball out for Resomi, defended by Somishang. Out with Paisin chases to keep the ball alive, but the weight of the ball from Resomi to Paisin a tad too heavy. He apologized to the right back, Resomi. Singtun knocking on the Kachai door, but the Kachai defense have been as strong as the Kachai Lemon so far in this game. Somishon defended well this time by King Bum. Totmea steals the ball away from Chanso. Totmea plays it inward for Yang Miching. Yang Miching finds Rung Singh. Rung Singh his chest at control away from him, but his one back possession from Paningmi, and Simeon taking no chances there with Ungshungam breathing down on his back. Ungshungam for Yami. Yami takes the shot on, cleared by Paningmi, away by Miami. Now with Masopam. Back with Jingdun again, and back with Totmea, who plays it to Paisin. Paisin lifts it over. Ungshungam lays it down for Rung Singh, and Rung Singh trying to get the ball there. Left his foot in on the left back for Kachai, and the Kachai defender is down receiving treatment there, just at the edge of the box. Substitution in the offing now for Singtun, and Semi Shimri is all ready to come on. He's waiting by the touchline here. The ball's gone out for a throw in for Kachai. Chanso back to Paningmi. Paningmi plays it long, looking for Somishon. Chanso loses the ball there. Not something that you see every time. King Pum inwards for Ungshung. Ungshung loses the ball there. Chanso with the clearance. Jeremy. Totmea inwards for Ungshung. Ungshung out for Resomi, and the change will be made now.
Back number 20, Sington back number 20. Mr.
Risomi has been replaced, and in his place comes Semi Shimre. Throw in taken by Paisin. Rong Singh. Manhandled there by Paningmi, and a free kick here for Sington, which will be taken by Semi almost immediately after coming on, and he will want to make an impact with his first touch of the football after coming on. Semi on this free kick with his left foot. Semi, it's high, and Ong Chung is there, defended by Somishang, in again by Jeremy, and collected calmly by Ramthingham. Ramthingham is exuding calmness at the moment. He has been so good on the ball, and his gripping has been exceptional in this game. In spite of the slippery surface and in spite of the slippery ball, he has not let a single ball get past him. Yami now for Singtun. Foul on Yami by Simeon, and it will be a free kick for Singtun, which will be taken by Ong Shung. Ong Shung has been given the invitation to shoot here from about 25 yards out. Favors his right foot a lot. He can get it over the wall and bend it in. There's a lot of space on this near side of the goalkeeper. It's a 4-man wall. It's a high wall. Ong Shung takes it. He chooses instead, and King Bum is there at the far post and defended again by Simeon. I think King Bum was there at the far post, and his finish was blocked out for a corner by the Kachai defender. Now a corner for Singtun, which will be taken by Semi. Semi, it's another good ball inside the box. King Bum trying to get on the end of that. Once again, he keeps the ball alive, plays it back to Yami. Yami loses the ball to Somishon. Somishon, well defended this time by Thotmea. King Bum now. King Bum plays it inwards for Ong Shung. Ong Shung. Ong Shung for Paisin. Paisin out for Semi. Semi to Ong Shung. Ong Shung intercepted by Paningmi. Yang Mi Ching takes the ball away from Somishon, and Somishon has fouled King Bum, but referee didn't see that, so play continues. King Bum is back up on his feet. Paisin intercepted by Chanso. Rong Singh wins the ball off Chanso. Ong Shungam. Ong Shungam. Ong Shungam now. Simeon taking the ball away from the run of Ong Shung. And now Song Leng with the clearance. Yang Mi Ching. Semi. They need a very technical player here, Singtun, to unlock the Kachai defense at the moment. Kachai with a very low block against Singtun. Much of the possession in this game has been for Singtun, but the Kachai defense has stood up strong, very strong against this good Singtun side. So we head into 2 minutes of additional time at the end of regulation time in the first half, and Yami's ball for Yami has gone out for a throw-in for Kachai. Kachai will be mindful not to concede in the closing stages of the first half. They will want to take their 2-goal lead into the break. On the other hand, Singtun will try their best to halve the deficit before going into the break, and they will come with this throw in here. Place in to Ungshung. Ungshung plays it to Yermi. Yermi out for Semi. Semi back to Ungshung. Ungshung headed off the ball there by Unguning, and Unguning very strong there on Totmaya. Totmaya in a bit of trouble there. Ungshung dilly-dallying on the ball a little bit too long, loses possession, and the counter was on, but some heroic defending by Totmaya made sure that it was not another counter attack situation that the Singtun defense had to deal with. And they have a free kick here, which will be taken by Yang Miching. Might as well be the last passage of play for the first half. Yang Miching for Rung Sing. Rung Sing by the byline. It's gone out for a corner, and we should have just about enough time for this corner to be taken by Zingtun. Ball is making their way inside the box. Everyone going ahead. Everyone going into the Kachai box, and a disappointing delivery in the end by Semi. And the host team Kachai go into the break with a 2-goal lead, thanks to a wonderful first half praise from Samishon Chirac, scoring the first, connecting to a cross from Chanso, and the second one capitalizing to a mistake by the defense and the Singtun goalkeeper to fire home from the edge of the box into an empty net. So into halftime we go, and Kachai lead this final tie 2-0 against Singtun. We will be back again for the second half action in 15 minutes.
QRT team na lucky draw ticket yorara sare laigshia itum tickets conference li razangdak laina tum psychorina katom komisada ticket ji khuimilo ticket bi amman lupa shak ni mangai kha nan phaugi ji here lupa shak ni win lakh akhane first prize in a second prize in a 70,000 third prize in a 50,000 na we kala thangka mai ngai mrala ma phaulo la ki kama thamane na in a coffee mangi ji na in a kwathe shaigi ji azwa lucky draw with ticket lokhoyau say mahayaka azwi liver razangdak le gtong ali la chami mangshaprai phawai kha jin razangdak le yang sat naw na tum psycho na tickets li gtom kumisada lucky draw with ticket ji la kha kumi sello na tum na iwa arama hi yang khuyel ga zat haura tamapning zataura jin iwa ticket mu khuimra dal mapning mi ha say na tum mi phone numbers zangaw ga da phawai kha in a witness Pau mi basli phone sara lagra laga paisa no we winning prize ji notli chi khora mi lagra ji hi yarli ham chi phun ngai dale ning share Hello, Yari hida the pum dale laga kashman sam gapang lay dale kachigtha na nawi shman kai ot lay dale akava matala kina paisa hi sambang dale jenda natum na stage bakra laga natumi amount kya ka hang laga rakumi paira kala power bank achon thangwina sam gapang ne kipak ka mapu kipak kamara rangai Jena, Shman Kaya Mapubajina, even a jihi backstage liquor, Rakwimilo jihi, Yarili, the Hang Japunish night lane sherry.
Okay. Kachishat aka sahaugai TAKL we President Lekha stage vivakramilu kala chiling soda sopleng we representatives na akon kwauhi shaka stage vivakramilu hanglishit ke TAKL we President kala sopleng we any unit representative akana stage vivakramilu. Kachishat akasaliao gai Soplang unit we president na Soplang kui representative na stage we mamahli krami laklu. Urgent salak kahai ot akhle hai da Soplang we representative akhna stage va krami laklu.
Issue 31st TKS General Conference from Sports, Literary and Cultural Meet Week. Football match final. We second half hop off the ray. Tajikistan na chamang bhai ayali zasala round vibhag krami halu second match second half hop off the ray.
A flurry of blues in the first half, and Kachai have the 2-goal lead, but Singtun will be charged up after the break, and they will try to get back into the game, and they will do so through Rung Sing Mui now, who will get the game back underway for this second 45 minutes. Rung Sing. Jeremy defended well by Miami. Ong Shung finds Yami. Yami goes past Masopum, puts the cross in. Kachai still not able to clear the lines, and Sington will come again through Yermi. Yermi try to switch it out for Yami, but it's a good clearing header from Masopam and further away by Chanso. Yermi to Ong Shung. Ong Shung across for Kingbum. Kingbum back to Yermi. Yermi's ball for Semi. Intercepted by Kachai. Possession won back by Zingtun, and with Yermi again. Placed in with the cross in. Out by Paningmi.
Final match, second half.
Ong Shung. Semi. Semi going past Song Yung. Semi with a cross in. It's defended well by the goalkeeper. Rung Sing Mui now. A heroic defender at the goal line. Yet again by Somisha. Wow, how has that not gone in? Somishang with two absolutely amazing goal line clearances there. First, the shot was from Rung Singh, and the second one from Yami. But this is the intent from Singtun in the second half. They have started this as hot and as fiery as their red uniforms, and Kachai defending for their lives there just a moment ago. Yami intercepting the ball from Somishang to Masopam, and now there is a certain trepidation among the Kachai fans as Singtun start this game very strong, start this second half very strong. Ongshung in for Ongshungam. Ongshungam to Rung Singh. Rung Singh turning two players there. Back to Paisin. Paisin to Thotmea. Jeremy Kingpom. Semi up against Song Yung. And free kick for Singtun here. Singtun ended the first half on a high with a flurry of set pieces that they nearly converted, and they're starting with the same kind of intent, and they have won a free kick here very early in the second half as well. It will be taken by Ung Shung, who has been the designated set piece taker for Singtun from the left side here. Ung Shung, tie and tip, and it's well defended by Somishang. Singtun players looking for a corner, but a goal kick has been given. Referee saying that the last touch of the ball came off a Singtun player.
Host team, Kachai Tumawong with defender. Right number 20, the goal kick.
Place in. Jeremy cannot go past Sunganing, and it's a free kick Kachai's way. Now a substitution for Kachai, something the Kachai coach must have seen in the early opening exchanges of the second half. So it is Songlang who goes off, and on his place comes Warjulan, who also made his appearance off the bench in the semi-final. Somishang. The flick on was from Unguning ahead of Kingpom. Ranpei not making up his mind on whether to play it long or to play it short. In the end, he played it long for Yermi. The ball is with Ongshung now. Ongshung plays it out wide for Yami. Yami looking for red jerseys inside the box, and it's an unorthodox clearance there from the Kachai goalkeeper, who has been excellent in the game so far. Kachai will come back yet again. The pressure has been relentless from Singtun in the second half. They haven't taken their foot off the gas so far in this first 5 minutes of the second half. And they will come again through Ungshungam, defended in the end by Musopom, out with Chanso. Chanso loses possession. Pace in, up against Chanso. Yami now. Yami. Pace in to Yermi. Yermi. Out by Miami. And a throw in for Singtun. Yermi looking for the run of Ong Shungam. Ong Shungam will not be able to keep the ball in. You can see the game plan of Singtun in the second half. They're trying to go long inside the box and they're trying to unsettle the Kachai goalkeeper. And under such conditions, all the balls inside the box might indeed unsettle the Kachai goalkeeper. They are biting on that. They are waiting for that. But for Ramthingam so far, the Kachai goalkeeper, he has done exceptionally well with his foot or with his hands. And as things stand, it is Kachai 2, Singtun 0. Simeon out by Thotmea. Semi. Bit of a scruffed clearance there from Yermi. Paisin doing well to get it away. Chanso wins possession. Back off Yami, and the throw-in has been given Kachai's way. Miami plays it inward for Somishon. Somishon is on a hat-trick in this game. Somishon, the power of this player is amazing. Somishon in the end took on one player too many and lost the ball just at the edge of the box. Yami trying to go past Chanso and Musopam out for a throw-in. Somishon wins a throw-in. It will be taken by Miami again. Now he's left it for Chanso. Chanso trying to gain a yard or two and trying to waste a bit of time here. And he has been given a yellow card and has been asked to take the throw-in again. Plays it to Miami, cleared by Yang Miching. Out with Unguning. Unguning does well to go past Ongshung. Unguning to Somishon. Somishon out for Masopam. Masopam puts a cross in. Defended by King Bum. Now Ongshung on the counter for Singtun. Now it's 2 against 2. Ongshung up against Paningmi and Somishang. And Ongshungam, bit disappointing that from the striker for Singtun. Had Birmingham through on goal, but the pass that he chose was not the right one. But he still gets a second pop at it. He finds Rong Sing now this time. Rong Sing goes past 2 players. Goes past Unguning again. Rong Sing trying to get a shot on. Rong Sing. Still Rong Sing gets the shot on. Straight at Somishang. Cleared by Miami. Now Chanso plays in, doing very well to steal the ball away from Chanso, and it's a goal. It's a throw-in for Kachai. Yami now. Yami up against Puningmi. Yami has the ball in the form of Fungshung, decides to go alone. Yami in the end wins a throw-in off Masopam. Has gone to take the throw-in. Yami in for Rong Sing, cleared by Puningmi. Chanso with so much time and space here. Chanso weighing his options. In the end going for Somishon. The ball skims off the slippery surface once again. Somishon not able to give the ball in play. Yang Miching. Thotmea. Pace in to Ongshung. Ongshung. It's a good pass through for Ongshung. The watery surface of the pitch aiding the Kachai defense there. Yermi doing the roulette third in the middle of the park, but he has been dispossessed by Unguning. Unguning going strong up against Ongshung. Unguning Winning charged down by Ongshung, but the ball breaks kindly to Masopam, who will try to play the ball in. Todmia slipped but recovered in time to get the ball away. And Masopam now. Chanso back to Masopam. Masopam goes past Paisin. Masopam with a license to shoot, but Yami doing extremely well to take that ball away from Masopam. And now Yermi is down on the pitch. Looks like he won't be able to continue. Before Yermi had gone down on the pitch, the skipper Rung Singwi now came to his coach at the touchline saying that his teammate will not be able to continue. So an enforced change here for Singtun. Temsung, who has been asked to warm up, will now come in for Singtun. In the meantime, Singtun with just 10 men out by Yang Miching. Yami with the outside of his foot finds Ongshungam. Ongshungam clips it over the defense and finds Semi on the left side. Semi with his left foot puts the cross in. Semi. Rung Sing cannot get there ahead of Somishang. Somishang does well there. Yami took the shot on, blocked, and Kachai struggling to clear the lines here. But now they will through Somishon. Somishon up against Totmia. Somishon finds Simeon. Simeon making his way forward from right back. Ortrilan will not be able to keep the ball in play. It's gone out for a goal kick for Singtun, and a change will now be made. Yermi from Sirarakong making way, and on his place is Temsung from Raude. King Pum. Yami closed down by Ungwening. Out for throw in for Singtun. Now with Ongshung. The pressure from Singtun has been relentless in the first 15 minutes of this game, of this second half, but Kachai defense so far hasn't faltered under pressure. And now they come through Masopam. Masopam trying to play Somishon through. Somishon is through now. Somishon takes the shot on. At this time it's straight at the goalkeeper Ngaranpe, who makes a good save. There was good power on that shot from Somishon, but it was straight at the goalkeeper. Kachai have withheld the Singtun Storm for 15 minutes in the second half, but we will see if they buckle in the last 30 minutes that we have to go in the second half. Semi to Ongshung sprays it out on the left flank for Yami. Yami is chasing up against Simeon. Yami goes past Simeon. Yami takes the shot on, and it's just whistles over the crossbar. Wonderful shot from Yami that did well to fake the turn and go past Simeon before taking the shot on with his right foot, but got so much power in the end, Yami, and it was always rising his shot from inside the box. Huge letter for Kachai. Semi was trying to find Birmingham. Masopom now for Kachai. One back by Thamsung. Thamsung nearly through for Birmingham. Cleared by Samishang. Back again with Paisin. Ongshung out for King Pum. King Pum back to Ongshung. Semi for Birmingham. The watery fields coming to the aid of Kachai. Again, Johnson now down on the pitch, but the match continues. The action continues with Semi for Sington. Now the game has been stopped and medical attention required there on Chanso. Still have over 25 minutes to go in the game, and if the host team were to lose Chanso here, it will be a huge blow for them. He has been the main outlet along with Somishon on the counter for the host team. Maybe a bit of time wasting there from the experienced youngster who gets up and does not seem to be any kind of discomfort or anything. Is working quite alright. He has to remember though that he is on a yellow card after wasting time in trying to take the throw-in. Oh, he has been replaced, so he won't be able to continue Chanso, and he has been replaced by Warthan, jersey number 11, who comes on in the place of Chanso. Big shoes to fill for the young man. Out by Simeon. Semi. Throw in yet again for Singtun. Yang Miching. Totmea loses the ball to Wartan. Away by Unguning. Samishon up against Yang Miching, and it was a good tackle from Yang Miching. Got the ball, but the referee has said he got a lot of the striker as well. Decision has gone against the defender. I thought that was a very good tackle from the Singtun defender. It's a free kick here for the host team, which will be taken by Somishon. Somishon, as we have mentioned, has scored 2. He is on a hat-trick here.
Back number 7, Somishon Prairie.
Samishon goes straight for goal. Got the ball over the wall, but was always rising.
It will 31st Kaksham TKSB General Conference come Sports, Literary and Cultural may be last match. Football final Zingtun Tangkhul Katamorong in a host team. Kachai to no longer remedy red jerseys on the glay now.
Short goal kick from Singtun. Totmea back to Yang Miching. Yang Miching looks long, finds Yami. Yami cannot control the ball, and it will roll out for a throw-in for Kachai. We have crossed the 66-minute mark. Ongshung for Yami. Simeon with the clearing ball for Kachai. Yang Miching chased down by Somishon. Yang Miching calm under pressure. King Bum now finds Semi. Semi will play it inwards to his midfield partner Ongshung. Ongshung taking time on the ball. Lays it out wide in the end for Paisin. Rung Singh. Ongshung Pace in. Putting me as well to get in the way of Pace-in's cross. It's a corner for Singtun here.
Good defender clears at the corner. Kikulish Tawai issues into the back number 8, Mr.
Ong Shung on this set piece yet again for Singtun. Ong Shung away at the first post by Somishon. Rung Singh to Yami. Yami out for Ong Shung. Ong Shung again. Ong Shung with the ball inside the box that is cleared by Paningmi. Yami clips it over for Ong Shungam. Ong Shungam will keep the ball alive here. Ong Shungam on the byline. Ong Shungam tries to go on his own there, and Paningmi with some superb defending to stop the run of Ong Shungam. Singtun still on the ball. Semi for Yami. Yami goes past Simeon. Simeon does well to recover. Now Orchilan. Aimless clearance that is straight back at Yang Miching. Ong Shung was trying to lay that into the part of Yami. Cleared by Kachai. Somishon now on the run. Good defending header by Yang Miching. Pace in, the right back now for Singtun on the attack. Pace in is ball for Temsung. It's still in play, and it's gone out for a corner for Singtun. Gives it that one for Singtun. The water in the field has come to the... Oh, that's another heroic defending from Simeon. And it's a throw-in. As I was saying, the waterlogged pitch has come to the aid of Kachai so many times, but on that occasion it came to the aid of Singtun, and it nearly led to a goal. That's Semi. Now plays it back to Ong Shung. Unguning away with the ball for Kachai. Unguning does well to keep the ball in. Somishon on a foot race with Todmia. Todmia gets there ahead of Somishon, and he will concede a throw-in. On we go now to the last 20 minutes of the game, and we'll see if Singtun can launch a comeback. It was Kachai who scored 2 goals in the first 20 minutes of the game, and we will see if the script is written for Singtun to score 2 in the last 20 minutes of the game. But Kachai will have other ideas. However, they will try to see how they win, and they will try to seek for comfort, and the third goal will definitely give them that, and they have a chance with this throw-in here on this near side. Throw-in taken long out by Paisin. Another throw-in for Kachai, which will be taken by the skipper Miami. They will aim for bodies inside the box again. Plays it to Somishon. Somishon miscontrols it, and now Temsung away for Singtun. Temsung plays it inwards for Semi. As well, they escape the attention of Unguning. Semi plays it to Yami. Throw and go Yami. Spilled by Rangmo Singh, and Yami cannot steal that away from the toes of the... Oh, sorry, it was Ong Shungam who was through on goal, and it was momentarily spilled by the Kachai goalkeeper, and in trying to slot home the spilled ball, Rangmo Singh was kicked, I think, by Ong Shungam. But he's back up on his feet again. It's good to see that the Kachai keeper is not trying to waste time by playing time delaying tactics here. Somishon strong against Paisin. Well defended by Paisin on that pass by Somishon. Ong Shung now. Ong Shung sees Yami with space on that left flank. And now out for a corner here for Singtun. Singtun have to make these corners count.
Corner kick.
So many set pieces for Singtun in the second half. Kachai have been superb in their defending, but nerves will be jangling inside the box here. In by Semi, avoided everybody in the end. With pacing on the other flank. Punning me strong, and it's gone out for a goal kick for Kachai yet again. And their defenders as well as their players will breathe a collective sigh of relief here as we head into the last 15-16 minutes of the game. Up by Somishang. The intensity in which this game has been played is simply out of this world. But Singtun, for all your possession and for all their industrious play, haven't been able to get many shots on target. On the other hand, Kachai have been simply clinical on the counter. They've got 2 chances and they convert 2 of those chances, and that's why they are in the lead in this game. Foul throw by Punning Me, who was running as he released that ball. It will be taken by King Pum. King Pum plays it to Rung Sing. Rung Sing takes it on the turn, but it's cleared by Simeon. Out for another throw in for Singtun. How many set piece situations, how many dead ball situations have we seen in this second half for Singtun? However, nothing has gone Singtun's way. Semi with a cross in, half cleared by Punning Me and further cleared by Samrachan. Now with Samishan. Samishan on the byline. Samishan well defended in the end by Totmaya.
Goalkeeper Mr. Moran by MG and Rumi Punglaga defending the goal kick.
Yami up against Orchulan. Yami plays it to Rung Sing. Rung Sing with a cross in. There is Tanpam. Now with Ungshung. Ungshung takes a shot on from the edge of the box. Well defended by a combination of Miami and Punning Me, cleared by Samishang. Samishang on the back of Yang Miching. King Pum for Singtun. King Pum plays it inside for Semi plays it through. Yami up against Simeon, and Simeon will concede a corner here. It's another corner yet again for Singtun. 15 minutes to go, and another corner for Singtun. Rung Sing out for a goal kick there. Ongshungam and Ongshung both going for the ball, and neither of these Singtun players coming away with that chance. Another change for Singtun imminent. Pangpai to come on. Foul on Masopam, and the change will now be made. It is Pangpai who comes on, and Thotmaya, jersey number 4, will make way. So Singtun will be playing the last 15 minutes of the game with just 3 men at the back. They have decided to throw everything at this one. Bang Boy has been introduced to add that height. They have been able to get the ball inside the box but not apply the finishing touch. They have lost every first ball, every first contact on every cross inside the box, and that is why Bang Boy has been introduced in this game to add that bit of height. And he is here under pressure by Miami. He loses the ball to Miami, who plays it to Sopam. In for Yang Miching. Semi now. Semi. Handled by Unguning, and the free kick for Singtun just at the halfway line, and this is where they will try to use the height of Bang Boy. No, they have taken it early. Plays in, played it out wide to King Bum with a lofty ball inside the box. The header was from Semi, but it took a nick off one of the Kachai defenders, and it's gone out for a corner yet again for Singtun. And now Bang Boy will try to stamp his authority inside the box. He is the tallest man inside the box, and we will see if he can get his head onto that corner from Rung Singh. Bang Boy is there, but the referee saw something there that he didn't like from the Singtun players, and it's a foul inside their own box for Kachai. Will be taken by Samishang. King Pom with the clearing headings. Mushungam to Birmingham. Rung Singh still. And the throw-in has gone Kachai's way. Wartan. Unguning over the top of the Singtun defense for Somishon, and Somishon saw that the goalkeeper was off his lines. Tried to loft it over the keeper with a delicate volley, but got so much on the ball in the end, and it went just over the crossbar there. But that has been the signature of Kachai in this game. They have defended deep, and they have defended resolutely, and on the counter they have been so clinical, and that is why as we go into the last 10 minutes of this game, they are leading the game 2-0 against Singtun, who have dominated everything in the game except for the margin that matters the most, except for goals, and it is Kachai who have the 2-goal lead here. Throw in for Singtun, taken by Ongshung. Out for another throw in for Singtun. Semi takes the ball, and Semi is brought down by Paningmi. And this is a free kick in a very dangerous situation, in a very dangerous position for Singtun. They have 10 minutes to salvage this game. 10 minutes to come back into the game, and they have a chance through the number 10 here, through Birmingham. It's a good cross. Oh, how has Bang Boy missed that? He was brought in for the height, and in the end he indeed got on the end of that cross from Birmingham, but wow, how has Bang Boy missed that from just 2 yards out? Just needed to flick it in into the back of the net, but instead got so much power on it and headed it straight back across the direction it was coming from. And that's a huge let-off for Kachai, and an absolute howler from Pangpai, who is still in disbelief that he has not scored from that kind of situation. What more can Rung Sing do with that kind of delivery? How many more chances will Singtun pass up? How many more chances will Singtun not convert? But it is all good signs and all good news for Kachai, the host team, who are on course for a historic win here. They have 6 minutes to defend the lead and to become the champions of the 31st TKS General Conference cum Sports, Literary and Cultural Meet held at Kachai here. Ong Shung, Paisin, Ong Shung cannot get there. It's a good clearing header by Somishang. Yet again by Somishang. It's gone out for a throw in on the far side for Singtun. King Pum. Foul on King Pum. And a free kick here. No, it's a throw in. Foul on Semi by Unganing. And yet another set piece for Singtun. Semi. Semi over the crossbar from Semi, who in the end decided to go on his own. That's disappointing from the midfielder. Somishang, King Pum, Wathan. As always, Somishon will chase, and Paisin coming on top of that one. But it's one back here by Kachai, and Somishon from close range. How has he done that? In complete disbelief, Somishon. His eyes lit up for the hat trick, and in the end he could only fire it, balloon it over the crossbar. What a chance that was to seal his hat trick and seal the game, seal the title for Kachai. Unganing very strong on the back of Semi, and Unganing will get a yellow card here. It's a free kick now for Singtun. Ong Shung on this free kick. Ong Shung defended by Unganing. Paisin clips it over, and it's another outstanding defending from Simeon, but all academic in the end because Pangpai and Birmingham were both offside on that pass.
Red jersey is Singtun Tangkhul Tangkhul, blue jersey host team Kachai Tangkhul. Scoreline
Samishang.
Kachai Tangkhul 2, Singtun
Yami.
0.
Yami.
Back number 9 the ball Singtun. Ball number
Pangpai.
19.
Singtun cannot afford to waste any time in possession. Yami driving down the byline. Yami tried to put a cross in, but it's cleared by Punning Me once again, who has had so many good clearances in the game. Rung Singh goes past Miami, out wide for Semi, cleared by Tamrichan. Wathan, only till Yang Miching into the box. It's fallen for, fell for Temsung there inside the box, but Kachai defense get it away yet again. Throw in for Zingtun. Ongshung, Birmingham. Rung Singh takes a shot on. Skims wide off the far post. Somishang. Orchilan cannot keep the ball in play. Sington with yet another throw in. Temsung, King Pum, back to Yang Miching for Semi to Rung Singh. Rung Singh clips it over the Kachai defense, but Kachai defense standing strong yet again. Semi out by Simeon. Sington players asking for a handball there. Samishon now. Samishon all alone. Plays it to Wathan. Wathan finds Samishon again. And a good clearing tackle from Paisin. Throw in for Kachai. Throw in taken by Miami. Cleared by Paisin. Rung Singh. Rung Singh looking for Ongshung, cleared by Punning Me. Possession won back by Semi, but he fouled Miami in the process, and now a substitution. 2 substitutions in fact for the host team as we go into the last minute of normal time. Wathan, jersey number 11, the substitute has been substituted with jersey number 6, Sweeterhor, coming on. And Osopom will also make way for
back number 18,
Naranchang.
14 out.
Sington also ready to make 2 substitutions, but they will make that only after the goal throw is taken and there's a stoppage in play. But 3 minutes of time has been added on here at the end of regulation time, and it's 3 minutes for Kachai to hold on, and there is now strong belief that the host team will be able to hold on to their 2-goal advantage and pull off a remarkable victory here to be champions of this year's TKS conference. Samishon just outside the box. Yami to Semi to Pangpei. Out for Ongshungam. Trying by the byline. Ongshungam gets the cross in. It's another heroic clearance from Tamrichan. Now out through Miami. Miami will play it to Moranchang. King Pum. Miami. You can see how tired Miami is. He doesn't have any strength anymore, but time is against Singtun now, and you feel the effort of Kachai players have been enough here. Yet another strong header away by Somishang. If you were to pick a man of the match from this game, any one of the Kachai defenders will stand a chance at winning the man of the match, even if it was Somishon who scored 2 goals in the game, who has scored the 2 goals in the game. In spite of that, you can give a strong case for all of the Kachai defenders winning the man of the match in this game. So, change now for Singtun as well. Nganaupam comes in for Kingpam, and Somipam will also come in for Pangpai. We feel that's a cause too late for Singtun as we head into the last minute of additional time. Time is seconds trickling down. The referee has the whistle in his mouth, and with that he blows the final whistle, and Kachai, the host team, have pulled off an incredible victory here, an incredible campaign as their fairy tale run and their fairy tale story is realized in the final, where they have been too good on the counter against Singtun, who in spite of all their possession and in spite of all their attacking threat could not get past the stubborn, the resolute, the outstanding Kachai defense. And it is Kachai, the host team, who walk away as champions after 90 minutes with 2 extremely well taken goals from Somishon Shirak in the first 20 minutes of the game. And with that, Kachai might as well have become the first host team in the history of CKS to win the championship. The host team to win the championship, to beat all odds and to beat all the federating units. One village to come up against a selection of players from so many federations, and for one village to come up on top. What history, what story this is. Congratulations to the host team, and with that we will sign off.
Prize distribution upon the quick hour, collate to reflect the hoist hill, our gauge, Jena, Natum Nala, Kamateli, Yawyang in the Mazda Milila, Ka. It will local crown relay meeting to find it to Mr. Clark and the Sunny Shlak Highway.
Units katong ali remind salu shithau gai. Arui issue valedictory session hi manga khui wa khwai saura. Prize distribution session la kwikarai. Kala flag de hoisting la ponda sada. Hiwi program manga wa khwai. Units katong ali ground we hili kazip maman laga line up sakwai request sadlai. Chilling soda aju issue we 31st General Conference cum Sports Literary and Cultural Meet 2022 we football final match live stream kasajili mathala kaina commentary mi ghai wangchan shatsang li ningishila tra ka pongshok talai